In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share reports in Zoho CRM. This guide will help you navigate through the process seamlessly, ensuring your reports reach the right people at the perfect time. Whether you need to distribute insights to your team or outside collaborators, Zoho CRM makes it straightforward. To start, you'll need to access your saved reports in Zoho CRM. Once you're in the Reports section, find the specific report you want to share. Next to the report, you'll see a down arrow icon. This arrow is your gateway to further actions. Click on it, and a menu will appear with several options available to you. From this menu, you'll want to select Send Email. This option allows you to directly email the report from Zoho CRM. Now, we'll configure this email, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, choose an email template. You might have a template ready, perhaps one that you frequently use for sharing reports, or you can create one that best suits your current needs. A good template will save you time and ensure consistency in your communications. Next, it's time to add your recipients. Here, Zoho CRM gives you the flexibility to include both internal team members, such as your project collaborators, and external clients, stakeholders, or partners. Just make sure to double-check the email addresses for accuracy to avoid sending the report to the wrong person. Once your recipients are set, choose the file format for your report. You have 3 formats to choose from: XLS, CSV, and PDF. Each format has its pros and cons, so consider your audience's preferences and the type of data in the report. For example, XLS and CSV files are useful for those who prefer to work with data in spreadsheet applications, while PDF offers a more static but professionally formatted option. There's also an option to include record IDs in your report. If the record IDs are necessary for reference or further action by the recipients, make sure to include them. However, if the report will be shared with individuals not familiar with these identifiers, it may be better to leave them out to prevent confusion. One of Zoho CRM's convenient features is the ability to schedule when your report is sent. This flexibility allows you to either send it immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. Scheduling can be particularly useful for regular reports, ensuring they are delivered at the optimal moment, such as a recurring meeting or end-of-month review. When you've configured all of these details, simply click Send, and your report will be on its way. Remember, each selection you make during this process can enhance the value and clarity of the information you're sharing. And that's it. By following these steps, you can efficiently share insightful reports from Zoho CRM. Whether it's to keep your team informed or to update your clients, mastering this process can significantly improve your workflow. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our tutorials.